What's up guys? Today we are going to learn how to replace the sky in Photoshop. Well, I know there are plenty of tutorials on how to do that in the internet. Yeah, that's true. And the technique that we are going to learn today will show us how to select based on the brightness of the color channels. Basically, we are gonna make disappear the most bright pixels in the blue channel. So this will allow to get the sky replacement in a more professional way. I think that I should stop here because normally when you see how the thing works, it's easy to learn. So yeah, I know. Stop talking and let's do it. For this tutorial, I've chosen this picture here, which is basically a really nice landscape, but the sky is a bit boring. It's just blue, no luck with the clouds here. So I went around and checked for some skies. I just randomly choose this one. Probably it's not the best fit, but for the sake of the tutorial, we are gonna use this. So what I did here, this is the original image. With Camera Raw, I just tweak a bit the image to make it darker, try to match the mood of the sky, which is in the sunset, almost blue hour. So first thing that we need to do here is make a selection of the sky, rough selection, with the marquee tool. Okay, once we have that, we are gonna create a mask. So we have our sky. Let's click Command-T or Control-T in Windows. Move the sky until you find the perfect position for the original picture. Let's say something around here will be okay. Command-T, Control-T again. What we want to do now is bring our original layer up, okay? And what we are gonna check here is the channels. You can find the channels in Window Channels. You see, you have the RGB channels. If you disable it, you will see individually. This is the blue one, this is the green one, and this is the red one. So in this case, we are gonna try to work with the blue channel. We are gonna try to hide the pixels, the more bright pixels in the blue channel, okay? Because the sky is basically blue. So let's go back to layers. So here we're gonna need to right click over our layer, go to blending options, and in blend if we can check all the channels we have here. In this case, we check the blue. We take the blue and we move this slider to the right to hide the more bright pixels in the blue channel. As you can see, those pixels are disappearing and our sky is coming to the image. So what you can do when you are happy with the selection is just click Alt and split this slider in two. So you will make your selection smoother. Okay? Once you can see the whole new sky in your picture, you can go ahead and click OK. Perfect. So now we are going to duplicate this layer. Command-G, Control-G in Windows, and here we are gonna right-click over this layer and clear the layer style. Now, how we make our sky, brand new sky come back? Very simple. We can choose this quick selection tool and make a rough selection of the part of the image that you want to keep. Once we have everything selected, you can add a layer mask and you will have your sky back. As you can see, it's a pretty good result already. You can tweak a little bit, do fine-tuning with the brush tool, or you even want to change the levels of the new sky. You can go back to your sky and click on Add a level layer, and you can change it a little bit until you are happy on how the sky looks like. So that's really is all. It's very simple as you see, and the results can be pretty impressive. So you want, we can group with Command G, and you can see the before and after, and that only took us like 5 minutes really. Well, I think that is very easy. As you see, we didn't took us more than 5 minutes. You don't need to spend 1 hour doing a perfect selection of what you want to remove and you want to add. You can use your creativity to use this technique in your pictures. If you like it, please subscribe, smash the button, hit the like as well. That will help the channel a lot. And if you have any comment, please leave it below and I will be more than happy to answer it. Don't forget to hit the bell because that will give you a notification next time that I'm uploading a video. As I always say, thank you very much for watching my channel. Thank you very much for watching my videos and I see you the next time.